Hello everyone. At first, I would like to thank our lecturer for giving us opportunity to know about the IT service management and its effect in a company. I'm Shraddha and introducing my team. I have Sushant and Kiran to explain about IT service management in HP, which is our topic. Let's talk about the ITSM and its importance. Sorry. ITSM represents the set of all the activities that include design, creation, delivery, support, and management of life cycle of IT service. It is simply the delivery of service by organization to its customer. It mainly focuses on improving the entire organization, leading to effectively and productively gains, and also helps to reduce the cost and risk by providing standard budget planning and providing standard resource under the budget. Additionally, it includes ethical principles that should be adopted by every IT professionals. Now, let me give you some information about HP. It stands for Hewlett Packard and is an American-based company that provides technological solutions including software and computer service to both customer as well as enterprise, and is the second largest company. Production offered by the HP in the computing areas and including the hardware, software, networking products, scanners and printers, etc. Now, let's just talk about the relationship of ITSM with that of HP. Talking about the present scenario, almost everything depends on IT, and the success of any business is mainly depend on the IT business depends on the effectiveness, reliability, and flexibility of IT services. The high delivery of the cost has become a main factor in a company, and to overcome this, the company should switch the IT service to the low cost with high customer service. This is when the ITSM came into the limelight. HP ITSM has developed a reference model by assembling a team to provide efficient customer service that incorporates most of the ITIL. And to further discuss about the reference model, I'll hand over the slide to Susan. Thank you.
Thank you, Shraddha, for your beautiful presentation. Now, moving on to the next slide. The next slide is about ITSM reference model of HP company. This model, as you can see in the figure, has five different groups that works to improve the process of the HP company. They are service delivery assurance, business IT alignment, service design and management, service development and deployment, and service operation. In this figure, as you can see, the service delivery assurance department is kind of like a focal point for all other groups associated with the reference model. The next slide shows the different processes associated with each of the groups in the ITSM reference model. You can see in the figure the different set of the processes that is done by each and every models in the HP ITSM reference model. So all these processes works um, improving the efficiency of the services that is provided by HP company towards its customer. When implementing this ITSM reference model in HP company, it enables the company to get few of the benefits like assess the current and desired state and identify the potential gaps, prioritize the work effort, and manage the life cycle of the IT services. So implementing the ITSM will enable the IT staff of the HP company to promptly distinguish the processes setup and start the quick conversation in regard to their status, values, and relationship with other key IT processes. Similarly, this also helps the company to prioritize the work effort quickly by uncovering the connection and linkage between the process in a way that whatever service provided to the customer gets serve to the customer faster in an efficient way. And When this HP ITSM reference model is implemented, it helps the company to plan for and manage both the new services and those services that must be rendered up to date. That means those services which was previously running in the HP company. So for further explanation of this slide, I'll want to call Hiran in on the video. Thank you.
Hi, thank you, Sushant. Let's look at the IT-related benefits in this presentation. By implementing the HP in ITSM, the efficiency and productivity can be increased as we have defined roles and responsibilities. There will be an overall improvement in the execution of operations. The IT services can be easily understood and, of course, it's cost effective. Let's look at the challenges. Here, moving to the next slide, we have the challenges of ITSM. The data should be secure to avoid the threats and insecurities. The ITSM should make sure that the business needs are all met. Then the quality and the backup is very mandatory in these challenges. And sudden blackouts can cause low maintenance to the clients. So we should be very careful while implementing the ITSM. These are the challenges. We are moving to the next slide. The conclusion. The HP ITSM is well developed and it is very efficient when compared to others. The ITSM is helped in implementing the HP and preventing from all kind of threats. It tends to manage the mechanism and increases the market value. And the ITSM has a very strong encryption. It secures the data from all kind of threats. These are the references we used in the presentation. Thank you so much.